So I meant to do a big thing for this, but I got another collab from ColourPop, and none of my other videos work, so we're gonna open it up. But it's gonna be a little different. It's not nerd related, but I'm still really excited about it. But I'm not okay. Oh my god! Oh, these are sick though. This is sick. If you guys didn't know, I played basketball most of my life. The packaging is so cool. Let's check out the palette. This is Boston Celtics. We have 17 rings. Lucky. Bag. Celtic Pride, Rivalry, Tradition, Shamrock, Dynasty, and 1946. Let's be real gentle with this. Since it didn't come on time and I won't use it for St. Patrick's Day, it's going right back in the box. Oh, shit. Yeah. Very cool. Oh, yeah. This is a pretty palette. Back Bay is like a beautiful pink. The greens aren't as green as I thought, but it's still a very cool palette. I mean, I'd rather support ColourPop than Jeffree Star's ass. I mean, I'm just saying. I'm not talking about stuff with the beauty community. I'm talking about back in the day. Go look up hurting people and things allegedly. But yeah. This is sweet. This is badass. This is going to be a short video because, like I said, I don't think people really care about sports on my channel, but I really, really like this a lot. And then I did need a red, and they didn't have the piston, so let's see how this looks. Oh my god, this is so sick. This is so sick. I highly doubt anybody's going to care about this video, but either way, we have the Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls press powder palette, 6 rings, back-to-back, Chi-Town, Game 6, Razzle Dazzle, I'm Back, Legacy, The Shot. Okay, let's... I always like they're all shiny and stuff. Let's be careful since I'm not going to use this palette either because what's the point? That is so fucking cool, dude. That is so cool. I'm not sponsored by ColourPop, by the way. I know I'm doing these videos of these collabs they do, but I'm not sponsored by ColourPop. I'm just a fan of somebody that has good quality stuff and doesn't lie to you because you want to know what? They make makeup no matter what it is. That $90 shit you pay for, I have $200 foundation and I have $8 foundation, and I'll tell you which one works better, the $8 one usually. Just saying, it costs like 2 cents to make makeup. So these people that overcharge you, like Kylie Jenner and shit, because her products are trash, and if you think they're good, you're dumb. But yeah, no, this is a beautiful palette. So I really appreciate that ColourPop does this on a budget, and they do these cool collabs. But I'm shocked that they did one with the NBA because, yeah, and a lot of people don't know that I played basketball my whole life. Like, that's my thing. So honestly, this is super pretty. Legacy is super cool. I'm Back is super cool, Razzle Dazzle, but I really like Game... Honestly, I thought the reds would be darker, so I'm not as upset that I'm not going to use this. But Legacy and Game 6 are sweet. Oh, I guess I should. Sorry, like I said, this isn't my thing. And then you see the basketball. That's so cool. And then I ordered the Lakers one, so that should be here soon. We'll do a funner unboxing another day when everything I do isn't being torn down around me. But no, these are super cool. And like I said, I love basketball, and I don't think people know that. So that's why this is just going to be a short little video of me like over here, because I don't think that's really what people come to my channel to see, is me talk about sports. But yeah, no, I got my jerseys out and everything to do this video, but yeah, I had a Celtics dress. Oh yeah, I did. These are all right back in the package. Oh yeah, no, but I think this is really cool. They have way more than the palettes too, and I ordered the Celtics bag, so I hope that comes with the Lakers stuff. And then I have a really cool nerd one coming, so we'll see how that goes. But like I said, I think that ColourPop is good quality for the price it is, and I think it's really cool that they do these collabs. I really do, and I was shocked that they did one with the NBA because, you know, nobody ever thinks about ladies when it comes, especially ladies who like makeup, when it comes to sports. So I thought that was really cool. So yeah, shout out to ColourPop. I'm happy with Motor City Nerds. I'm sorry I'm so tired and not fun right now, but yeah, Everybody stay safe out there, and check out ColourPop if you haven't. And if you think that just because it's cheaper, it's not good quality, you're wrong. And wait till you see the entire set I got that I'll be unboxing on here. I'm super stoked about that one. But I was super stoked about these ones too. It's just, I've been up for 30 plus hours and nothing works out. I swear to God. I swear to God. Like, every time I plan something, it doesn't work out. And it's okay. I'm not, like, pity party Abby. It's just like, okay. Okay, I guess not. I guess 16 hours of work just don't matter, and then I get to go back to hell on earth in the plant. But yeah, no, don't be sad. These are awesome. Check them out. They have full NBA sets. They're awesome. But yeah, wait till I get the other one. Have a good day, everybody.